Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, we are actually on the way to discuss about the different topics related to the animal farming or animal husbandry, in which we are discussing about the proper management system of the farmyards. So the farmyards are that position where we have to keep the animals and what type of different management system we need if we are rearing on the animals. So in the first previous video we have discussed about the shelters, that what facilities the shelter must contains just to have the uh, properly take care or the proper management of the animals which we are rearing. So the second topics for in that field is the feeding management. So we must have to take care of their feeding management, and today we are also going to discuss about this topic, feeding. So what type of food we have to provide them, and why we have going to provide them that type of foods, and what are the different aspects if we are going to give them in the proper that food in the every season or not, and why these foods are especially needed from by them. Why don't we only give them fodder? Why don't we give them only grains? So now we are going to discuss about all these things in today's video. And I must tell you one thing, that whenever we talk about the feeding, we must have to be discuss that why we are providing feeds to animals. Feed, actually we can feed the animals on anything, just like us we can also eat food, anything, but we must have to be eat a proper nutritive food that can give us nutrition. So to maintain the nutritional value, to maintain the quality and quantity of the product which we are getting from the animals, we must have to take care of the proper feeding management. So it needs a management channel just to have the properly providing economic benefit to the farmers. So we are rearing animals just to have the economic benefit from them. So if we are going to keep them for the purpose of gaining the economic benefit, we must have to give concern on the proper feeding management system, that what they are feeding. If they will feed the nutritive things, if we will give them the nutritive things, then usually they will increase the production also, and they will keep the animals protective also for the different type of facilities, different type of changing climates, diseases also. So the feeds, the nutritional value is most important topic whenever we are going to discuss about the farmyards management. So we have the food requirement of different types, that is of the two type. One is only concerned with the maintenance of the animal. So just like us also, I can eat anything and you also can eat anything. Likewise animals can also eat anything, and that is only eating is only necessary for providing us the energy just to do the work. So one type of nutrition requirement is that it needs only for the maintenance of the body. So just can only to run the body works and to do the daily works which we are going to need the which we the food is not going to provide us any nutrition, that is only required for the daily use purpose. So that food is called the maintenance food. And the second one is the milk production requirement food, which is nutritive value, which must be have the containing the nutritive values, vitamins, different types of minerals concerned होने चाहिए. जो भी हमारे मिल्क प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स फूड्स अगर हम जो भी दे रहे हैं, और जो जैसे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ऐसे मेंटेनेंस फूड जो होते हैं, वो हम अपने मेन फूड के साथ एक्स्ट्रा में रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, वो मेन फूड के साथ एक्स्ट्रा में हम दे रहे हैं. जैसे कि हम कोई भी फूड दे रहे हैं, किसी भी टाइप का चार्ट, जैसे लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट्स है, मेज़ बाजरा के स्टेम्स हम लोग काउज एंड बफेलोज को देते हैं जस्ट टू giving them the management which they are required. So the feeds for the dairy animals are of the different types we have discussed already, that is the maintenance requirement, providing completing foods, and the nutritive value foods. So in the maintenance providing food, we just used to give them the leguminous plants or the different types of maize, bajras, and rices, stems, and sometimes because they contains the roughage which are going to increase their digestive, which are necessary for in doing a proper digestive system, work of proper digestive system. And the second one is the milk producing requirement food, that must be contains the proper nutritive value, more than one, just like the proteins, carbohydrate, and contains some less amount of fats. And the leguminous plants completes or fulfills the requirement of protein in them, and this is properly necessary for providing a this different types of nutritive value food to them. Okay guys, training must be given to them in a ratio, that is proper ratio. So since the milch animals are what, the milk providing animals, rears for the protective values also. So in the form of milk, they must have to eat the leguminous plants like the bersems and the leucines in the perfect manner, such that the protein requirement in their body must be completed. And the dairy animals are given a balanced ratio, a ratio in which the amount of food which is given to them during the 24-hour day for a cow is about 15 to 20 kilogram of green fodders. उन्हें हरा चारा देना चाहिए 15 to 20 grams per day, and 4 to 5 kg of grain mixture, और ऐसा कोई मिक्सचर जिसमें कि अनाज मिले हुए 4 to 5 kilograms. Or then after they need 30 to 35 liters of water. How much amount of quantity of water they need, it is such more larger than the food we provide to them. So the water facilities must be properly arranged. So this is the proper feeding management system of the domestic animals. Hope you all have liked it. If you liked the video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to put me in the comment section, did you like it or not? And you can also insist me or recommend me any topic on which I have to make the video for you all regarding the science topic only, and mainly in the field of biology. So guys, hope you liked it, enjoyed the session. Thank you so much. Bye.